All right, finding the inverse of relations algebraically can be tough. You notice you have a number of examples to do here today, so I'm going to walk you through one. Hopefully it helps. All right, we'll start with this one. This one's a fraction. This tends to intimidate people, but don't be intimidated. Now remember, when we're doing an inverse function, we're swapping the x and the y. So that's the first thing I'm going to do here. Y becomes x becomes y. And now my goal is I want to isolate my y. So first thing I'm going to do is subtract 10 on each side. It gives me x minus 10 equals 5/8 y. All right. It's kind of nasty. You got 5/8 y here. In order to get rid of that 5/8, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. Reciprocal is 8/5. What happens? Those cancel out. But I also want to do it on this side too. I'm going to do it to each term. That gives me 8/5 x here. And now 10 times 8/5. I can cross simplify. Get 2 minus 16 equals y. So that would be the inverse of this relation. Y equals 5/5 x plus 10. I get 8/5 x minus 16 equals y. And I can even reverse the order. So I can do y equals mx plus b. I'll walk you through one more of these fraction ones. All right. So again, just going to swap out the x and the y here. X, negative 2/3 y minus 6. Okay. So again, I swapped out the x and the y. Now I'm going to add 6 to each side because I want to get the y alone. X plus 6 equals negative 2/3 y. Now to get rid of that negative 2/3 being multiplied, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal here. And notice I'm making it negative. And I'm doing it to each side here. I'm just going to, well, I didn't want to do that. I'm just going to make the equal sign a little bit smaller so that way I can squeeze in my value here. There we go. Good. I like cross simplifying myself. So I get negative 3/2x. Now over here, remember, a lot of people are like, why are you cross simplifying? Because I can put a 1 here. I can cross simplify. 6 and 2 is 3. So I get negative 9 equals, cross simplify here, and with y. So I got my inverse relation now. And I can flip it around even. Y equals negative 3/2x plus negative 9. Or if we're going to just keep as minus 9, same thing, right? So again, the goal is you swap out your x and y's, and then